Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite app. To not find the solution about Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you'll enter to the window of Facebook Lite and you click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. You can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store. You can search about Play Store. If you find your updates, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.